to thump in your back. And I'm not joking, anytime I see you, literally.
Warning. This video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness.
When this Mr. B, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married to money, we never divorced. Can't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcements.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy RonDaGreat back here with another video. And today guys, it's been a while since I make a video well on YouTube. It look like say yo, me I drop videos hard, but me literally have them videos they put on. I'm gonna post like probably like 1 month or 2 months good. So the video I kinda just make recently. So if you see the video like probably like 2 days after the other video, that means yeah. So I don't really want to talk too much. I don't know, I already have the power already as usual. Alright, so look like that. So today what we are gonna do is we are gonna DM the whole entire my contact, like literally everybody in my contacts say yo, I get a girl pregnant to see how them reaction. You see, so want to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, turn notification bell, and for the new just subscribe, watch the ads, bro, watch the ads. You know your boy finally get monetized. We don't really want to go in all of that, we want to get into the video, but watch the ads. You see, I might fling in a good amount in the one, yeah? No, probably like 3 ads. No, probably like 3 ads.
Wait a minute.
No, probably like 3 ads. Not put that much in it. Yeah, so right now me and I'm on WhatsApp. Sorry for the background. Yeah, my baby brother watch whatsoever. So I didn't make a little broadcast list, so I will drop a message in there like come see. I will text. So basically me need help. So I text this now, it look like a one person I text it to, so yeah, I tell them so basically me need help. That's the first message I gonna send. It just saying no. It just saying alright. I'm gonna copy this now and drop it in another broadcast. Bam. And then drop it in this. So the next text we are gonna send is so basically I get a girl pregnant and I don't know what to do.
Abortion.
Bro, look how much people are text me. So basically, I get a girl pregnant. A girl, I'm like, basically, I get a girl. I don't know what to do.
Kill it!
So that's what I'm saying. See if them a spam my phone hard, bro. I'm gonna turn on about the phone. Come on, let's go get me your phone for the one. May I come there? Sorry, I'm on a little rush, bro. It's because my mom, this is my mom's phone. I mean, I sweat hard. The frig. I copy this. Copy that. Copy that. Copy that. Alright, so the people them are spam my phone, bro. Hear this. They literally have spam my phone hard, bro. Alright, so we are go through all of them text messages and see what them saying. Alright, what anything if we just give them a little 5 minutes, bro, and then read all of them here because this. Yo, no friggin' way, bro. No friggin' way. No friggin' way. Wait there. Let me just wipe my face. Bro, watch out. Them not done, you know? Boom, yo, them literally not done, bro. Well, they come like say, them not gonna stop. Watch out. Them not stop, bro. So, alright, we're gonna give this a look 5 minutes and then come back right here, so when I'm done text. Alright, so the 5 minutes break come back. Bro, up to the 5 minutes time period, them still at text, but we're gonna read through them anyways because now I'm a mother forward back, bro. And then me can get for complete this whole entire video, so it's best me just go through them. Where should I start from first? This nigga say if it's a prank, dog, this a Dante. Who else now? This is my brother girlfriend, Yazid. Me not gonna call her name, but what you mean you don't know what to do? Me will try and think about a solution for help you. Nigga, seriously? Really? Alright, so this girl named Judy call so we can talk about this because I'm not going to text. This is what Judy say.
Listen to me. If this is a prank, don't let me catch you. If I catch you, I'm gonna thump in your back. Please don't let me catch you. Come and know the YouTube already. I'm gonna some loveful pranks. So tell me if I know if a prank or not. If it's a prank, anytime I catch you, I'm gonna thump you. I'm going to thump in your back. And I'm not joking. Anytime I see you, literally. So tell me if I know. So if it's not a prank, then call me so we can talk. Cause I'm not gonna text about this. Like literally, I'm gonna call you.
Better you go to your bed.
Cause yeah, basically. So come.
But Tom own her face. No, she can't do that, man. You must be mad. Alright, so that's what Judy say. Is it let me see. Jesse say, so my bro Jesse say, bro, shut the fuck up. You can't fool me. So yeah, a good amount of people can jump on it. Shan. Yeah. Shan say, first thing first, you and she have met desalination if you wanna keep it or not. If my mother know. First of all, if me get any girl pregnant, bro, my mother nah gonna know, you see, but me don't know the freak name desolation. Shan, please, me don't know what's that in the comment section. Tell me what that mean in the comment section. So Ali, who there are sending you for go get a girl pregnant? Good question, still doing a good little question. Daniel Little Wicked, you don't know. This man say how long ago you get her pregnant? Janu. 2 months now in the dark. Alright, so me I know. Right, so like we have some people who really never give a freak about me. Me I say they there for the pitney and the girl, I guess. Stay in school though. Lunch money can take care of pitney around here. My lunch money for take care of Opa! Hey, kids, don't get no one pregnant, bro. You see it? Screenshot me, yeah.
When this was the B, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married to money, we never divorced. Can't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcements.